Hello everyone, good morning. I hope you are well and have an amazing day. Today you will watch second and last part of the video Neighborhoods in Chinatown Yangon 2021. In this part you will watch Latha, Lanmado and 15th Street of Chinatown. Let's watch the video. This is Latha Street. Latha Street is at the heart of Chinatown. It is one of the slightly wider streets with the fabulous Chinese temple at the junction with Mahabandula Road. Have a look at this building. The exterior of the building reflects how was the structure of the building during colonial period. There are some clan houses with temples on the roof in this street. Clan houses were set up to support family communities that had immigrated from mainland China last century, predominantly Fujian and Hokkien. These clan houses or associations were renamed as family temples later on. While walking across this street, you will find some mobile and electronic shops and very old structured colonial era buildings. The building became ruined due to proper maintenance. People are crossing the road carefully. This is Guanin Gumiao Temple. It is one of two major Chinese temples located within Latha Township in Yangon's Chinatown. It was founded by the Cantonese community of Yangon in 1823 but was destroyed by a fire in December 1855 and subsequently rebuilt in 1864 with two additional brick buildings to the site built in 1872. The temple is located on Mahabandula Road and is dedicated to Guanin, a Buddhist bodhisattva corresponding to the Burmese Buddhist bodhisattva Avalokitesvara. A 1,400 years old ginkgo tree is located on the grounds, which has become a tourist attraction. The tree is believed to have been planted by the Emperor Li Shimin, the founding father of the Tang dynasty. This is 1,400 years old ginkgo tree. These are beautiful Chinese clans or associations. The building stands with witness of history. This is a Chinese temple named the Kheng Hokkiang. It is also known as King Fu Temple. This is the largest and oldest temple to the Chinese sea goddess Maju in Yangon, Myanmar. It is located on the corner of Sintodani Street and Strand Road in Latha Township. The temple is maintained by a Hokkien Chinese clan association. It was originally built as a wooden temple in 1861 and completed in 1863, built in the Fujian style. The plot of land was granted by the British authorities. This is Lanmado Street of Chinatown. Lanmado Township is located in this area. This is a Chinese Buddhist temple located at Lanmado Street. The outlook of this building brought back us to the colonial period. This is KFC restaurant in Chinatown. This is 15th Street of Chinatown. There are some hawkers selling various types of fruits beside the street. While walking across this street, you will also find some old structured colonial era buildings. This is a Chinese Buddhist temple. Let's see inside the temple. These buildings are standing with the witness of the historic period. That's it from today's video. Thanks for watching.